This is Silk. Silk likes dangly things, obviously. Now that's the cord of my camera. Yeah, you're making for a very bouncy camera video when you do that, Silk. Silk is at the Animal Rescue League of New Hampshire in Bedford. And he's in here with other kitties. You seem to like other kitties, Silk. I'm getting a bit of a glare there. About coming over here. Hi, Silk. You are so friendly. Yeah, you are a friendly kitty. Gorgeous. Yes, you are. You want to be with people all the time, don't you, Silk? Are you looking for dinner? Well, there's a mouse, but I don't think it's going to be very nutritious. No, you can play with it. Whoop, there you go. Gotta go down and get it now. You gonna go get it, Silk? No, you just wanted to bat it off the shelf so you could just stretch out. Yes, very good looking kitty, yes. Sit here and let me admire you. Well, now that was not the best view, Silk. So let's say goodbye. Bye, Silk. Bye, Silk.